Dear student, now your chapter here be running here. Already in previous video we discussed here formula of distance formula, section formula and midpoint formula. Now we discuss here the NCERT questions of the coordinate geometry. Here the first question here given that find the distance between the following pair of the points. जो फर्स्ट पेयर आपका दे रहा है, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पेयर आपको गिवन है, तो फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस वन. Solution here, first point here is solution. So here is now here is given that what we find here distance. So distance between two coordinates points. So distance formula, distance is equal to under root what we write here, under root x2 minus x1 का whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. ठीक, तो यहाँ पे हमें डिस्टेंस निकालना है. डिस्टेंस इज डिफरेंस ऑफ एब्सिसस स्क्वायर एंड difference of ordinates square. Clear? So now here is given that the points here 2, 2, 3 and 4, 1. So here x is equal to x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to here 1. So put these values in the equation of this one here, given that x2's value here is given there 4 and x1 is minus 2 whole square and plus y2 here is given that 1 and y1 is given here is 3. Clear? So we already discussed this question. Clear? 2's whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So what we get here? 4 plus 4. We get here root 8. And we'll write this one is root 8 to root 2. This one is right here. 2 root 2. So we find here the distance between these two coordinates. Clear? So what we find here? 2 root 2 unit. Clear? Now here is given some other points here also given. Now look here. Now look here. Next point we discuss here. Here let here is the a b minus a minus b. Here is given the third point a b, first for abscissa and ordinates given, and second here is given minus a minus b. Clear? So these point, find the distance between these 2 points. So find the distance between these 2 points. So we put here is x1. So x1 here is given that x1 is equal to a and y1 is given here is b. Clear? x2 is given here minus a and y2 is given here minus b. Clear? So now put here these values in equation. Put here the equations. x2 is given minus a and minus x1 minus a whole square plus y2 here is given that minus b and y1 is given here b whole square. So what we get here? Both portion is given here. This is a minus. So this one is minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b minus 2b whole square. So this one is right here 4a square plus 4b square. 4a square plus 4b square. So what we find here? This one is right now here. Now look here. So here, look here. 4 is the common. So this one is right. A square plus b square. So square root of 4 to 2 under root a square plus b square. This one is your answer. Clear? This portion is clear? 4 is common. Square root of 4 is 2. This portion is similar. Under root a square plus b square. Answer here this one. Clear? Now we find a look here the question number second. Rest part you can solve here very easy. Only find the distance formula. Now see the second question of this exercise. Now here in NCERT first exercise, question number first and second both are the same, but both are same, so we solve here. We solve that. Now here is we discuss here the question number third. Determine if the point 1, here's coordinates 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. Collinear तो मतलब हमने क्या बताया था आपसे? Collinear जब एक ही लाइन में ये 3 points होंगे, तो these points are the say that the collinear. Here, so we find the distance between these 3 points. If the distance are the same in these 3 points, then say that these points are collinear, otherwise non-collinear. Now look here, so that how to find here this question, solution of this problem. Now here, let that here is a line. This one is a line, and here is given that the 3 points. 3 points. So A, B, and C. A, B, C, and their coordinates is 1, 5. Here is 2, 3, and last one C's point here is given that -2 and -11. Here. Now here we discuss be the points. Let इसको मान लीजिए. Let the point, let A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C is -2 and -11. Clear? मान लिया कि ये points हैं हमारे. Now here this one is C. Says -2 and -11. Clear? Now find the distance between A and B. Find the distance between A and B. So AB is equal to, what is the formula of distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. So here is this one is x1 y1, x2 y2, and this one x3 y3. Okay. Now here we find that x2. So x2 is values here 2, and x1 is value here 1 whole square plus y2 here is given that 3. and y1 is given here minus 5 whole square. So we get here under root 1 square plus here minus 1 is minus 2 square. So right here 1 square 1 and minus 2 square is plus 4. So we get here root 5. Distance between AB, we find here root 5, and the value of the root 5 we find this one. Clear? Now find distance between BC. Find the distance between BC. Now this one here solve. Distance between BC is equal to, right here, x2 BC. So this one is a x2. So x3 minus x2 whole square plus y2 y3 minus y2 whole square. Clear? So now here we get here under root x3. So x3 here is minus 2 and x2 here is given that 2 minus 2 whole square. Clear? Minus 2 whole square. x3 x2, this one x2, so minus 2 here is given that minus 2. Clear? Minus 2. This one, if we see this one is here x1 y1 x2 y2, so I think no confusion here. Let here x2 x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let here x2 is equal to minus 2 and x1 is equal to 2 का whole square plus y2 here is given that minus 11 and y1 here is minus 3 whole square. Clear? So we find here this one here, minus 4 whole square plus minus 14 whole square. So what we get here, under root minus whole square we get here the 16 and 14 whole square we get here 196. So we find this one here. What we find here, 9 plus 6 plus 6 12, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 9 plus 10 11 and 1 plus 1 2, 212. Clear? And find now the third AB, BC, and then find here, what find here? AC. Again we go here, AC. Here, AC. So AC is equal to, look here, solve here, AC is equal to here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This one is distance formula, and this one is this one is x1 y1, and this one is a x2 y2. Clear? So now put here is given that x2 is equal to minus 2 and x1 is equal to here minus 1 whole square, plus y2 here is given that minus 11 and y1 given here is minus 5 whole square. So what we get here, both here is minus 3 whole square plus minus 16 whole square. Minus 3 is the whole square. We get here, what we get here? 9, and minus 16 whole square we get, what is the square of 16? 256. 256. Now add this one. 265. Clear? We find this one is root 265. Clear? Now, how to find this one? Is linear, collinear or non-collinear? To find here, we discuss here the some points here. Collinear, so we added this one, value of here collinear points AB plus BC, AB plus BC. So what we get here, AB here is given that root 5 and BC is given here root 212. Clear? This one here is given that. Now we what is the value of root 5? We find the value of root 5. I think here is given the value 2.23. We find the square root of this and the square root of 212. We get here the square root of 212. Use the division method. We find this one is the 14.56. 14.56. So what we get here, add this one is 6 plus 3, 9, 5 plus 2, 7, 4, 2, 6, 1, 16.79. Now AC. So AC here, AC is equal to root 265. Find the square root of 265. We get here 16.28. We find the square root of this one. We get here, we find here 16.28. Clear? So since we write here, since AB plus BC does not equal to AC. Clear? Since AB plus BC does not equal to AC, clear? So they are non-collinear. So they are non-collinear. If this one is a find AB plus BC is equal to AC, then say that is collinear, and this one we say does not equal to AC, so this one is a non-collinear. Clear? Now we discuss here the fourth question here. Very good question here. Now see the question number 4. Now we here discuss question number 4. Question number 4 is given. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the, मान यहाँ पे 3 vertices दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड आर द vertices of an isosceles triangle. So we know that the isosceles triangle, their two sides are equal, then say that isosceles triangle here. Now here, let here the isosceles triangle here, right here the ABC, we find the distance between AB, BC and CA. Clear? Now here first we find the distance of solution here. Here A's coordinates here 5 minus 2 and B, यहाँ पे A के जो coordinates हैं 5 minus 2 and B के जो coordinates आपको दिए गए हैं 6, 4 and here the C's coordinates here 7 minus 2. Clear? First we find the distance between A and B. Find the distance between A, B. So now like here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now look here, this one is given, this one is a x1 and this one is a x2. The x2 is equal to 6 and x1 is given here is a 5 whole square plus y2 given here is a 4 and y1 given here minus 2 whole square. Clear? Y1 value is here minus 2. Now solve this one here. We get here 6 minus 5, we get here 1 whole square plus here this one is right 4 plus 2 whole square. This one is right. Now next step 1 whole square and 4 plus 6 whole square is equal to 36. 1 square is 1 and 6 square is here 36. So we find here under root 37. AB's values here under root 37. Now find the value of this one in this one. We get here is the 6 point. Find the 6 are 30. To find the division method, we find the under root 37. Now if you not calculate this one, look here 37. First we divide it. This one is 6 are 36 and 6 add here, what we get here 12 and what we get here 1 and put here the point, get here 20. How many times we get here? This one not good here. Let here is 0, put here is 0 and also put here is 0. How many times we get here? How many times here? So 0, get here 8. We get here 8. So we get here, this one is a 6.08. Clear? Now find here distance between BC. Distance between B and C. Now here this one is a AB. Can erase this one. Here is right now. We find already here AB. AB is equal to 6.08. Right here. AB is equal to 6.08. Now find BC. BC here. Find the distance between BC, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Now look here, this one is a x1, this one is a x2, this one is a y1, and this one is a y2. Now put here x2 is here given that 7, and x1 is given here is 6 whole square, plus y2 here is given that minus 2, and y1 given here is minus 4 whole square. So we get here this one is 1 whole square, and this one is plus minus 6 whole square. So this one is get here 1 plus 36. We get here root 37, and value of root 37 is 6.08. Clear? We find the BC. Clear? This point is clear. Now it is here. Find here. Next point we find here. Which one is here? AC. AC we find here. Can you erase this one? This one here is BC also here 6.08. This one is also proved here. Now find here AC. AC is equal to, find the distance between AC. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 here is given that x2 is given that x1 x2 is given as 7, and x1 is given here is the 5 whole square, plus y2 here is given that minus 2, and y1 is given that also minus 2. Clear? Minus 2 whole square. So this one is given here. What we get here? 2 whole square plus here we get here minus 2 plus 2 whole square. So what we get here? 4 plus 0, we get here 4, and square root of 4 is equal to 2. Clear? हमें AC भी मिल गया. 4 plus 0 under root 4 values is 2. So we get here also find AC. So we get here is AC is equal to here 2. What we find here? AC is 2. Clear? Now the conditions of here is a condition. Here is a condition. Condition is given that AB plus BC is greater than AC. Look there. AB plus BC is greater than AC. Now second we if get AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Clear? So AB plus AC, 6 plus 2, 8. This one is greater than BC. Clear? Now third point we also discuss here, BC plus AC is also greater than AB. Also is greater than AB. Clear? Now here, so triangle ABC is a triangle as sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side, and since BC is equal to 6.08 and 6.08, both are same. So this one, it is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. Clear? This one is now proved that. Clear? Now we discuss next questions in next video. Thank you.